Salam, how's it? Could possibly be looking at a quick US30 buy at market open. Maybe if we come back to this point right here, maybe possible. I would say if you want to buy US30, but it's like I said yesterday, it's a very high risk trade. If you want to buy US30 before market open, and you're basically risking your account. So you can buy US30 if you want. I do think it will buy maybe up till there. So you can buy US30 now if you want, actually. But I will do another trade if this trade doesn't work out, or like I said, it's a higher risk trade, so you close as soon as you're in profit, basically. Wait for it to come here. Yeah. Then enter stop loss or something. I don't know. There's no real stop loss. Okay, so just get ready. Just wait to him to see something quickly. I would say, yeah, so you can buy when it comes to like, yeah, that's fair value gap here. Let's just see 3 minutes left until we open. You buy in US30, but you don't have to enter this trade because I will send another trade. Salams Muhammad, here fixing the house. Okay, I am in the trade right now. Let me enter now. You don't have to enter. Like I said, I will send another less riskier trade. This trade is very risky. It's like trading NFP basically. But if you want to trade it, you trade it at your own risk. But I will send another trade, so you're not forced to take this trade. You're not forced to take this trade. This is a very risky trade. There isn't really a stop loss. Also, your count is your stop loss, I guess. So just use funds that you're willing to risk. I would enter before, like I'll try and get an entry now, I guess, if you want to enter. I am in already. 680 rand profit currently, 1,000 rand, sorry. Profit at the moment. Come on. Here's 1,000 pips, so at least if you can get till here. At least till here will be good. At least till there, it'll be nice. At least till that green line. I'll take that buy. Oh, come on. Push. And about 45 seconds left. You should be in profits. You should be in blues. Guys should be in blues. Guys, like the live also, please. We should be in blues. We all should be in profit. Check there. It's shooting up. Just 20 seconds left. 20 seconds left. Remember, 10 seconds behind. There's an open. Shut down. Okay, I'm still in better profit. I think I should. I don't know if I should close. I'm still in my profit. Yeah, still in profit. I think I'm gonna set break even. I'll set break even, guys. Please just set break even. Shut down. Break even. It took me out. It took me out. Let's see. Let's see if we can. Guys, it took me out for my trade, and it just like bounced off again. I think I set break even too early. Can we enter one here now? Enter here. Okay, let's see. Okay, I entered again. Like I said, I want to get at least to the green line. Okay, we're shooting up again. Okay. Set break even, guys. I'm setting break even. I'm setting break even, setting break even. Taking some profit as well. Being 3,000 Rand profit, as you can see. Take some profit. I would recommend you take some profit, yeah. Sure, come on. The green line is TP. There we go. TP it. TP it. Can we actually get next TP? I'll take some profit, please. Take some profit. That's our final TP. Gotcha. Yo, there we go. Lovely, guys. Nice. Okay, we should be in profit. Everyone should have made profit. If you took this trade, you should have made profit. But if you didn't take your trade, don't worry. We will send another less riskier trade. This is my final TP. If you want to trade your stop loss, maybe put your stop loss maybe like here, at this TP here. Put your stop loss here. See if you can get that final TP. I am doing NAS. I am also doing this as well. But you guys should have made profit. You guys should have made profit. Everyone should have made profit. Simple trade, not that difficult, by the way. This was a 4-hour gap, which we basically retraced back into. We broke out there, retraced into 1 minute, and then we went. Nice. Yeah, everyone showed me profit. I will put my stop loss at break even, please. Sorry, not break even, put it here. Like here. Basically, so you have taken profit. Or if you want, just take partials, leave a run at break even. Like if I open a 5 lot, take close maybe like 4 lots or something. And just leave 1 lot. Or if you want, even maybe like a 0.5 or something, just something. But over how many pips did we catch? About 1,600 pips. Wow. Okay, so we're done with US30 for now. We smashed it. Let's just we smashed it. So we'll trade. We'll look at now NASDAQ. Alright, let's look at NASDAQ. Okay, so I'm switching over now. This was a failed setup that I took. Need stop loss here. I went to better profit and then look at that. Took me out here and look where it is now. Basically almost full TP hit. Yeah, guys, send your profits on US30 in the groups. Look at that. That's really unlucky. My stop loss also wasn't very big. It's about 385 pips. If it was a little bit bigger, I mean, you could have held that thing, but nah, it is what it is. I don't mind it. We'll take it. Okay, so as far as the NASDAQ, let's just check delete this. Did you guys make money from the? How many of you guys took the US30 trade? 12K profit one trade. Imagine. Yeah, I'm still gonna look at what's happening here. I would say buys actually look pretty good. The reason why I also took the buy earlier, we had all of these low, all these basically failed highs. The market failed to break these highs. That's why also you can see I marked it. That was basically why I took this trade. But as you can see, it stopped me out there and went. There was a bit of a spike, and then it spiked up there. We just come. You guys should have recovered now, obviously, from that trade. But we're gonna look now for Nasdaq. What's happening? Let's look at Nasdaq. I will send. I think daily I will send a trade like the US30 trade for the open trade. I will send for the NYSE open, and then I will send like a normal trade for those of you. Obviously, you don't wanna like risk too much, or it's like you feel like it's too risky, or like you don't wanna you're a bit scared to risk it. You know, I won't send that. I won't. You don't have to take that trade, but I will send a normal trade, like proper analysis, whatever. This was actually a very nice buy, actually. This I should have actually waited for it to tap into here first, and then everyone made profits. Nice. Possible shorts, I would say from here. I would say a short we can probably short from here. Okay, so if you guys made profit from US30, I wouldn't recommend you to take another trade. I would say if you guys made like this guy made 12K profit, I personally would recommend you call it a day. I mean, that's quite a bit of profit there. So just I would recommend you another step away. You kind of late. You didn't miss a banger of a trade we gave on US30. Uh, this was a trade we gave on US30. Hang on. So full TP basically hit. Look at that. So full TP hit there. This was the trade that we gave. So yeah, a full TP, about 1,700 pips or so profit. So you did miss a trade, but I'm gonna look for something else. Okay, so I wanna see candle closure below here, then I could take shorts. I think shorts should be good here. Of course, I need a candle closure below. Two nine zero three four. No, I don't see it. That's all the way up there. Okay, if you want, I'm gonna enter your sells Nasdaq. Sells on Nasdaq as if you want, waited for it to let's see here. Maybe this thing here. Let me just okay, wait, it's still playing inside here. Okay, I'm not gonna enter yet. I'll just wait for it to close. Look at it. I want to see a closure below. It seems like it's a bit choppy right now. So I think rather wait. I'll just wait a little bit more. Yeah, it's a bit choppy. You have got stopped out there. Stop loss would have been there. Oh no, I didn't just wait. I think we'd rather just be patient. Wait for it to come here first. I think let's just wait. I think this is not a good entry for good entry. I think we'd rather just wait. Wait for it to come here on top here. Wait for rejection of this fair value gap here. Don't enter anything yet. I wanna see S&P 500. So I see something S&P 500. I'm not looking for a trade on S&P 500. I just want to see something. So ES basically took out that 4-hour gap that we are looking at currently. So as you can see, basically ES tapped here. So that was a nice buy, of course, on Nasdaq as well. I kind of missed that buy because we did capitalize on the US30 buy, which is calm. But the Nasdaq buy we kind of missed it. So I would say we gotta left to look for shorts. So ES basically took out. You could, if you look here on the chart, right? ES S&P 500 basically took out uh this four of we tapped into this 4-hour gap here. Has about 1,600. So we just wait and see. As you can see, it's just rejecting there. On the orb strategy, we had a breakout now as well. But shorting, I mean, buying here seems a bit criminal, to be honest. I don't know. Guys, like the live, please. Only 10 people like the live. Okay, so we swept. This was London's high that we just swept now. That was London's high that we swept. Asia high is right there. You are late, Nazira. Actually, you actually missed a trade. If you look on the group, I sent a trade out already. This is the trade that we gave out. You need to join. You need to put your alarm on for at least, or like keep a eye. This was that buy that we gave before the open. We gave this out. You need to put your alarm on. I think like every day, just put your alarm on for 20 past or something. 20 past 20 past 3. Put your alarm on so you're ready. Get yourself ready. Fund your accounts, everything. Make sure you're ready. Because I think everything I'm seeing, you're missing all the lives. You're gonna miss out big time, and then obviously it's not a good thing for you because you're gonna be missing out. So, but I will send another setup. I am sending another. Gonna look for another setup. Yeah. Also, make sure that you are watching the live at like the latest possible. I mean, like make sure that red line at the bottom of the live, make sure it's at the latest possible. Don't look at the. I mean, don't. Yeah, make sure you're watching live. Of course. There's absolutely nothing yet to actually trade from. ES is pumping as well. Let's see how we react at the 50% here, right? You in NAS longs. The NAS longs look good, actually. Buy and NAS buys looks good. Why don't we trade gold NYSE? We trade gold in the mornings. I love indices as well, so I enjoy trading indices, so I'm not gonna change that. I enjoy trading indices. I don't like gold so much. I did trade gold. We took sells on gold earlier. This was the sells that we gave like just before the open actually. We gave sells on gold. This was the sell we took there. Slums. Yeah, we had nice shorts on. We took a nice short on gold. Not sure where to hold to. If you guys, right, if you take a position on anything, you need to know exactly where you're gonna put your stop loss, exactly where you're gonna put the TP. Okay, so we have taken. Let's just see now if you can actually give us a nice IFVG setup, yeah. Or we could possibly, if market closes above here, I will look for buys here. But if we close below, I'll sell. Let's see. Okay, looks like we're selling. Okay, you can sell Nasdaq. Stop loss above here. Selling Nasdaq right now. Okay, so I'm in Nas shorts right now. Actually, my entry is like here. No, I actually got a decent entry. Okay, we're in profits. We're in profits. Immediate profits, guys. Damn. Sniper. I'll go break. Actually, how many pips is this actually? I don't even know. You can actually go break even now if you want. Like, that's a previous high, basically. I'd say TP targeting is the, well, actually, yeah, I'll say target there. Oh, I came back to my entry. I didn't secure. Okay, push down again. Let's hope we can sell. Stop loss is here. Right there. By the way, I'm still holding US30 runner. I'm still holding a runner on US30. So yeah, guys, be cooking. US30 and Nasdaq chopped. Okay, Nasdaq. Oh, fuck, wait. Okay, never mind. I forgot about something, but now let's go. Yeah, we both. Nasdaq is looking good currently. Just needs to close. I need a candle closure below here. We'll go break even, yeah, at this orange line basically. Closure below there, of course. It's playing games, hey? There we go. Oh shit, I forgot to send the VIP, the stop loss in. It's a very small stop loss I give you guys, hey? You guys should, like, compared to other guys that stream trading NYC and stuff, like my stop losses are much more smaller. 29062. So I don't understand how you can blow your accounts on my trades. It makes no sense how you can actually blow an account from my trades because you just 28. No ways, bruh. No ways. Come on. 28. Wait, is it actually gonna hit stop loss? I'm busy typing here and this thing is flying. Oh my days. Okay, it's ejecting good. 28916. Okay, it's rejected again. Two. Oh my days, it's about to stop us out, actually. It's actually about to stop me out. 28806. Come on, reject, Nasdaq, reject. Stop loss is above this week, guys. Just remember that. Right. About to stop me out. We take this loss, it's calm. We'll end the live here. We'll call it today. You're still holding US30. Okay, it took me out. It took me out. Sorry, it's calm. Went into about. It did fail to close below here. Went into about 300 pips profit. It failed to close there. That's why. Okay, so yeah, this was a L day basically. Not L day. I'll trade. Yeah, we'll take the L. We'll take the L. It's a small stop loss, also 300 pip stop loss. So we'll call it. I do think we possibly could probably gonna go up. We probably might fill this gap. I expected the reason why I took this trade. Firstly, of course, we swept that high, right, and then We also formed a V-shaped IFEG, so I expected us to sell, but yeah, this was it. That was the trade. Targets were, of course, these lows. Yeah, they could be possible if you want to look for buys. I would say because we just broke this previous high right here. If you wait for the retracement, yeah, maybe you could buy again. Could look to buy from here if you want. If you want. If you want to enter here, you'll wait for this retracement before it obviously fills this gap. If it fills this gap, then it's too late, of course. But you kind of need a retracement here now, like a retracement, like right now, like you need something now. Stop loss is about 200 pips. 200. It's a small stop loss there. Let's see if we actually get a retracement. If you don't, it's calm. Okay. Retracement, of course, and you needs to respect it. You don't just enter. Like if it just touches it, don't enter. You wait for it to close above. Tap into it and close above. Basically, that's what. See, if it comes here, the trade is gone. That's the trade is gone. Basically, the trade is gone. You want to see it come here, and that's basically the trade is gone. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. Looks like it's gonna leave us. Yeah, it's gonna leave us. Failed to give us any retracement. Although at 4 o'clock there might be a slight retracement there. I don't know. Let's see. We're waiting. We wait. So I'll hit on this one. Bang! It's gonna hit TP. Yeah, the trade is gone. This was possible entry. Yeah, we were obviously not sell. There isn't any retracements. Yes, there's no retracements at all. If you look in here, basically it filled that gap that I'm talking about. Actually, there's a gap there. Let's see 4 o'clock. What happens at 4 o'clock? What happens 4 o'clock? Let's see. So yeah, the gap got filled, basically. Yeah. And obviously the new 4-hour candle will also. It's rejecting, yeah. 2 minutes left until the new 4-hour candle forms. This was insane though. I actually had, like I said, if you guys saw joined the live earlier or in VIP, you'll know I had buys like somewhere like here or something. Like here, and then I got stopped out, and boom, hit my flu elite TP. So, but unlucky there. can't lie. This trade is long gone. No, we're not in buyers. We're not in buyers. We're not in any trade at the okay, I'm still in the US30 trade. I'm still in my US30 trade. I'm in blues on US30. I'm up about 3,000 pips on US30. So US30 we chopped. Nasdaq got cooked, but it is what it is. Yeah, so there's a new hourly candle formed. Let's see Powell's strategy. Basically, Powell's strat basically he marks out this 10 candle, he waits for manipulation, and then he takes a retracement. US30 is pumping, bruh. Sure. Okay, let's just see. So we don't. So let's see if we reject off this line here. We could possibly look for buyers. Yes. So we rejected there. Rejected out this fair value gap here. This 4 hour. Let's see. Okay, they were dropping now. There's a retracement. So there's going to be some sort of manipulation, and it ends up you take that buy or something like that. Sweet. Yeah, it's rejecting. US30, yes, still buy. 3,000 pips on US30. But then we're in the live, guys. I think price is gonna take a bit long now. We're in the live now. I'll see you all again tomorrow. Today wasn't the worst of days. We took one win, massive win, and one loss. But yeah, make sure you're holding a runner on US30. I will say just hold a runner on there. But I do think actually, if I'm looking at Nasdaq, if you are looking for buys, I would say possibles. Maybe yeah, this you could target there. There isn't any like structure forming right now. Okay, there is something happening now. I wouldn't really take anything. I would wait for some sort of structure though. It is forming now. I think it might take some time to form. So yeah, I'm gonna end the live here, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Sometimes.